You'll need an unbaked pie crust, preferably 9 inches in size, 3 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The star of the show is 2.5 cups of whole milk, which gives the custard its rich, creamy texture, and for the final touch, a sprinkle of nutmeg. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As the oven heats up, fit the unbaked pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish, crimping the edges for a decorative touch. Now, let's move on to the custard filling. In a large bowl, beat together the eggs, sugar, and salt until the mixture is smooth. Stir in the vanilla extract, then gradually add the milk, stirring continuously. This slow addition of milk prevents the eggs from cooking prematurely, ensuring a smooth, creamy custard. Slowly pour the custard mixture into the unbaked pie crust, being careful to avoid any spillage. For an added touch of flavor and aroma, lightly sprinkle the top with nutmeg. With the pie assembled, it's time for baking. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the custard is set and a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. The pie should still have a slight jiggle in the center. It will firm up as it cools. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. After it's cooled, refrigerate the pie until it's fully set, which should take about 2 to 3 hours. Then slice and serve it chilled. This recipe makes one 9-inch custard pie, typically serving 8 people. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.